Alright guys, welcome guys. We are at Frank Rains. Hang on, let me slow down. We are at Frank Rains. It's a ATV off-road park, and I'm taking my new Suburban that I didn't introduce to you guys yet. It's a 2500 2005 Suburban. Got it for the low, and it's like a camper setup if you look in the back. We got mattress and everything. We brought all our stuff. We're gonna camp out here, and basically we're going off-roading a little bit. This is Brian's camper, and now he's got these big wheels on here. Do a wheelie, do a wheelie. Do it again.
Do it again.
Do a manual.
Ah! I caught it.
Wait, it's got front brakes, right?
No,
oh no, it's rear. I was gonna say do an endo.
Do a wheelie.
Do a wheelie. Woo! So how old are you now, Brian?
2.7.
2.7. A few more till the 30-30. So here are the specs of my new Suburban. I got the 2500 model because it has a bigger motor and just beefier drivetrain and suspension and bigger brakes, which is better for towing reliably over long distances. The funny thing about this is actually the cheapest vehicle I own, but it is also the most equipped vehicle I own, with heated seats, power extending and retracting mirrors, and also a sunroof. And I mean, this thing was, got it for cheap, so you know, there's some things like the hood latch, where you need a vice grip and you grab the broken cable and that's how you pop the hood. And then eventually the plan with this Suburban will be to be the tow rig, which I already towed to the last event, but it'll be the tow rig slash camper, so we can go to like further away events and sleep in the truck and save a lot of time instead of going to hotels. So right now we're following Jimmy, just exploring the other side of this park. Oh, I hope we don't get stuck. So we're actually here for Brian's birthday, and this is like his whole family, his sister, I think his dad, his nephews and stuff. So pretty cool family event, and I want to do some off-roading. I wasn't planning on off-roading this thing, but it's gotta try it. It's kind of fun. And we're actually stuck in four-wheel drive auto, which is, I guess, kind of a good thing. So hopefully we won't get stuck today. I'm worried, how am I going to get back up this hill later? I hope he doesn't, because I don't want to have to pull him out. He's going to do it! Ah. Oh! Good job. So deep. Alright, we're gonna enter this river. I can see the appeal to off-roading now. It's pretty fun. Might have to build me a four-wheeler sometime. Oh, he's going down the whole river. Alright, me too. Wait, let's see. Alright. Let me see this. We are legit in the water. just chilling in a river. Hop back on the road over here. Jimmy's just washing off his truck after the fondue dip. Oh, it gets pretty deep over here though. Oh. Alright, let's go. Oh, you hear that? Oh, gotta stay back so you don't get rocks chucked at your windshield. Alright, let's hope we make it. Let's get some speed. Alright, so we're going to take the fire road all the way to the top of the mountain. And going for another bath. Ooh. Don't go in yet. Oh, he's gonna come down through it, I bet. Oh, he won't do it? Oh, okay. Never mind. I'm gonna go through here. Ooh, scratched my whole car. Put this in first. What the f? That's too sketchy. What the f? He's sliding, you see that? Should we try that? You see this turn right there? That's so crazy. Alright, we're gonna try it. We're gonna go slow as hell. I think if I stay over here on the side, we should be okay. Oh, this is scary as f. Oh, we're sliding, we're sliding. There goes all my paint. Let me see this. This is so sketch. Look at the angle we're at. This is flat with the road. Well, we survived that turn. That was impressive. I'm impressed by this stock Suburban. Oh, it must be bad if he can't. He's backing up. He's backing up. That's not good. Because I don't know how we're gonna get around that turn backwards. Unless there's another way. Yeah, that was a bad idea. LOL, we're screwed. Damn, this piece of Suburban's pretty good. Dude, that was crazy.
That was fun.
That was
Honestly, I didn't know if you were gonna be able to pull through.
dude. I thought we were. I was like, dude, we're so
The
screwed.
second I saw that jackknife corner right there, I'm like, oh, hell no. I'm like, all right, this might be a dirt bike path run right now. I don't know.
Dude, and our stock, dude. Right?
Crawler, man.
Right? Like you just need a stock Chevy.
Hey, it's your house too. You're sleeping in that.
Yeah. Whew. Good morning. I'm freezing. Spent the night in the car. All right, let me show you the setup here. So the back seat, which I'm sitting in right now, this seat folds down flat, as you can see. And then the third row seat you can remove, so I took that out. And yeah, it's pretty comfy. Total, you get about 8 feet back here. So me laying down is about 6 feet, and then I have like 2 extra feet at the end for like miscellaneous stuff, camping chairs, grill, backpack, jumper box, stuff like that. And here's the campground. Everyone else is living in luxury. Well, almost everyone. And this is Jimmy's truck, the one that went through the mud puddle yesterday. Just judging by the mud marks, mud stains left, he went pretty deep. Probably like a good 2.5 feet.